today I'm going to be building PC. So this is actually my first time building one, so it's going to be a hard experience, I guess. So first, I'm gonna do the obvious thing and put in processor first. It just slides in with next to the golden triangle and that little arrow, and then you just lock it into place with the little arrow, and boom, that's done. Next, you got this, the CPU cooler. It just cools the CPU because the CPU gets very hot if like under like moderate pressure. So oh my god, I forgot to put thermal paste on. I don't remember where it is. Why are you just watching?
Because I don't know what to do.
Oh my gosh. Apply this onto here. It's not even open, bruh. So you just do this. Just a little glob of that. Then you put on this beefy thing, and then should be good to go if I put it in freaking correctly. There we go. Can't get it in. I don't even know if that's in. I am probably gonna break something. And if I do, I'm gonna cry. That is not in there, is it? No. Oh my god. Alright, that should be good. Did I put it in the wrong way? Oh my god. No, I didn't. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Yep, that's good. Next, we're gonna do one of the more easier parts. Yeah. So, just goes in like this. This is one of the like easier parts, I guess. And then just... Oh no, I was putting it wrong. Uh-oh. And boom. Done. Alright, next I'm going to be installing my SSD. I don't know if that's in. It might be incorrectly in. And I screwed up. Okay. Oh yeah, if you're not already, subscribe. Subscribing is awesome. And it would really make my day. Because I'm gonna edit this video on this PC. And this video took a lot of work. So, just get it to there. There we go. And now it's secure. And now we put it in the case. Okay, here we have the I/O shield. I didn't have it in totally. And then I put it in here. Should secure from here. Alright, there. Should be secure. I can't even see that. What the hell? There we go. And now all the standoffs are off. Took like 1 or 2 seconds because of editing. And now just put it in here. And should be good to go. Yeah. That should be right. Yeah, okay. Now I put the standoffs back in. Standoff is not going in, I meant.
You name it?
Standoff.
Oh. Thought you said something else. I'm like, what?
No, I would not name that.
Oh yeah, guys, by the way, we're the friends helping. Well, I am. You're cutting this out anyways, so.
I'm not cutting this part out. Yeah. These are my friends. They're helping me out while I build my PC. Yes! Success. I got it in. Okay. That's good. That's great. Got it in, which means that we are back in business. If we even were in business. I mean, if I were to have any regrets from making this, I would have probably wanted to do my research more. Because, well, I could have definitely probably gotten a better board and probably a better case, but I mean, if this works, then I don't really care. Because as long as it works, then, I mean, it's alright. Alright, now I have everything in place. Now, final piece. The one I've been waiting for. The graphics card. It's costing me $400.
That's a graphics card?
It's costing... I know, it's overpriced. But hey, what am I gonna do? Prices are up right now, and my computer can't function without one. So, I had to scalp my life away for this graphics card. Okay. There we go. Heard the click. Means it's in. And then now I use screw to tighten it in place. I mean, I just found the screw random and it fits. So I just said screw it and I'll use this one. Boom. Graphics card in place. Yep, that's secured. Alright. Now, it's time for the part, or nearing the part I was dreading. Before we do the part I was not hoping to do, we put in the fans. And the fans are pretty simple to install. And unfortunately, I do not have a fan hub, so I have to use Molex cable to connect it. Which, in my opinion, is not that bad, but I mean, it could be better. Alright, that's one fan in. From a brand I don't even know. Oh yeah. So, I'll tell you all the specs that I'm using at the end of the video. And you could build this yourself. I mean, I don't know why you would want to. It's just there. But yeah, I'll put all the stuff that I got in the description. And yeah. Just not very expensive things. Uh-oh. No, uh-oh. I screwed in the fan into the frick. Get back in there. See, this is the part where something goes wrong. And then when something goes wrong, I become unhappy. Did that get stuck in there again? No way. No. Imagine using Molex collectors. Or Molex connectors.
Imagine.
It could be me, because I have to. That sucks, because I don't want to use Molex. Okay, this is looking not like trash so far. This is good.
Looks fine.
I'm looking for where the fan is supposed to be. Oh, system fan. There we go. Alright. Putting in the fan. You didn't see anything? I totally didn't put it in wrong. But yeah, now I'm putting in the fans for the first time, totally the first time, only the first time.
Sure.
Shush. Yep, that's good. Alright, now put these through these, and now I turn it on its side like this. Shabam. Alright, connected things. Now, for the final thing, this power supply. Just tie this in real quick. Now, bring it towards the light. This is heavy as hell. Put that in there. Shabam. Magnetic screwdriver for the win. Shabam. Exactly. Shabam is the correct term.
Why?
Don't ask why.
I just did.
Don't ask why.
Why?
Alright, that's all the screws in. Stop messing with things. And that's not a crowbar, that's something for Christmas. The last thing needed to do is to manage cables. I don't want to do this. But with the snap of my fingers and a lot of editing, this will be done in
3, 2, 1.
Alright, and there, just like that, we finished cable managing. It took only 2 seconds.
Because of editing.
Oh yeah, power of editing. But the graphics card to put in some stuff, that's fine. That is a-okay. Because now, put in the graphics card again. That was not a very smart decision for me. Don't do what I did. Don't put in the graphics card after you unless you finish like everything. And then put the graphics card back in, and let's see if it works. And boom! That is the computer completed. Now we plug it in, see if it works. Alright. Alright, so just flick this on and check if it works. Works. Why is this not connected? That's concerning. Turn it off. I may have done something wrong, so I'm just gonna check if I connected everything correctly. But yeah, now we know it works. So, that was me building my computer. Thank you guys for watching.